With the latest advancements in technology, going offline on Instagram is easy. To temporarily deactivate your account, first open the Instagram app. Click on the profile button at the bottom of the page. At the top of the page, select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the Help Center option. Click on it. Once the Help Center page appears, search for Deactivate in the search box at the top of the page. In the resulting list of results, select Deactivate your account. Click on the link to go to the next page. On the next page, prepare to enter your login information. Enter your username and password to log into your account. After logging in, you will see a page that shows why are you deleting your account. Select any of the given reasons or type in your own explanation. Click Next. After that, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. In the pop-up, click Yes, deactivate my account. After this, you will be successfully logged out of your Instagram account. You will also receive a confirmation email from Instagram, saying that your account will be deactivated for a certain period of time. This temporary deactivation will not delete your data, you will still be able to reactivate your account whenever you wish. To reactivate your account, open Instagram and enter your login information. Once you sign in, the pop-up will appear again, asking if you want to reactivate your account. Select Yes, reactivate my account and then tap Submit. After that, your account will be reactivated. To ensure that your account remains active in the future, take some measures to protect it. Set a strong password for your account, and use two-step authentication whenever possible. Also, remember to update your account on a regular basis. Change your profile picture or post new content to keep your account active. By taking this simple precaution, you can ensure that your account remains active and your data stays safe. Moreover, avoid auto-logging in from public networks when logging into Instagram. Such networks may be vulnerable to hackers and might leave your account open to attack. Furthermore, make sure to delete inactive accounts or unverified accounts that you don't recognize. Furthermore, use safe browsing habits when searching for content online. Refrain from clicking on suspicious links and be careful about what type of personal information you share with others. If you have content that is not suitable for all viewers, configure your account settings to make it private.